So impact weather, that means we want you to be paying attention to the forecast both today and tomorrow. Well, as I mentioned, multiple rounds of severe weather possible. Damaging winds and large hail are going to be the main threats with those rounds of storms that we get. Overall tornado threat, very, very low, but it's not necessarily zero. So make sure you've got reliable ways to hear warnings just in case they're needed. Right now on the radar, just some spotty shower activity. We're not even seeing any thunder or lightning with this. These are just general rain showers, and they will be on and off at times through the day today. Normally I'd take you down and show you where we've got the rain, but it is pretty patchy across almost all of central Alabama at this point. Now we're looking ahead towards that chance of strong storms moving in very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. This is a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for the northern third of the state. Marginal level 1 out of 5 south from there. And what this means is storms are overall going to be weakening as they drift southward. I want to remind you the main threats are hail and strong winds. Tornado threat very low, but not necessarily zero. We're going to break down the timing for you a little bit. We're talking about locations like Hamilton, Double Springs, Coleman, Fort Payne. 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. is when those storms arrive in your location. Storms will be arriving in Sulligent, Fayette, Wyndham Springs, Birmingham, Aniana, Anniston Center between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. and then moving into locations like Tuscaloosa, Centerville, Alabaster, Sylacauga, Ashland between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. So we've got a line that will be moving southward. Did want to time it out for you here. This is what a computer model thinks the radar will look like. As we move through the rest of the afternoon, some hit and miss showers possible. There could be a rumble or two of thunder later in the afternoon, but the main threat of strong storms moves in here early tomorrow. This is 3 a.m. and you can see that line starting to move into North Alabama. It'll slowly sink southward across our part of the state. By about lunchtime, that line is out of here, but we could have the redevelopment of some thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. And because the atmosphere is unstable, that means these storms could turn strong as well. The main threat with these strong storms would be hail or wind. Look at the timing on this. This is Thursday evening, so tomorrow evening lasting into early on Friday, and then we are looking much better for the weekend. But I did want to show you there is a severe outlook for late tomorrow night. This is after that first line of storms. Marginal risk for all of North Alabama, and then this is a slight level 2 out of 5 risk along into the south of I-20. So we'll be watching if those storms can get going late tomorrow night into Friday for another round of potentially strong storms with gusty winds or hail. Rainfall totals look to be about 1 inch, so I'm not too worried about flooding with this system, but just be sure you're weather aware both tonight and through the day tomorrow, and be sure you've got ways to get warnings just in case they're needed. Of course, we'll be here tracking the radar for you. Once that front moves through, look what it does to our temperatures. It's going to leave us with a really nice weekend with lower humidity and highs in the 70s.